In this video, I am going to show you how you deploy one simple Python web-based application on the Google Cloud. So I have given all the code and steps, everything in GitHub. You can use that. I have made it public. So let me first show you the code. What is the basic code of the Python? So I just made one simple Flask-based application. This is the web-based application. It will just show one line of the message on the web page, right? And respective, we have the requirement.txt or the dependency I have mentioned here, Flask and the Gunicorn. Gunicorn is the web server for the Flask compatibility. And we have the one Dockerfile. So we have taken one basic Python image on that all this work. I create one folder inside the container, so I will keep all the code in the app folder, and we run the requirements. So all the important library would be downloaded inside the container, exposed on the 8080, and this is the Gunicorn CMD, so it will run on the 8080, right? And this is the folder name, and this is the app name. So if you go the here, I have created the object for the Flask. This is simple code. Let me first run on the Docker, on the local, then we can see that. So this is all the code here. Let me show you if anything is the container. No. Let me create one image first. That. So Docker build. I will give name Python basic, and dot is the Dockerfile path. So it's okay, I think. Let me see the PS. Let me see the images. Yeah, it came here. Now let me run that. So docker run -t detach publish 8080, right? For the internal external, you know already, and you have to give the image name. So it will, if you see here, now one container is running. So verify here, go and say the localhost 8080, you can see the message. Everything working here, right? Now let me define the same thing on the cloud run. So first go and put the cloud.google.com, right? You have to log in here. So once you log in, here is the console button. If you see, this part is the console button, right? So you have to hit the console button here. And here also is the terminal button. So if you see here, here is the cloud save terminal button. So we're using this always the cloud save button, right? That might be hide in the photo, but you have to use this button here to get the cloud save. First go to the console. Your account must be configured, otherwise it will not work out. So go here and billing account management, right? If you go to billing management account, so it will show the account, how many account you have configured. At least one account must be configured, right? So you can see I have configured the 2 account. That should be there. Okay. First and foremost, you go and this is the project. So you have to create the any project, right? So first click here and create the new project. I can give the name YouTube demo and choose the account and create. So project name is the YouTube account, right? So hit the Google Cloud, so you will in the same page. YouTube demo is there. Then go and click on the console. Here is the cloud share is there, right? So if you hit, it will create the console for you. Make sure in the console YouTube demo should be there. YouTube demo should be there. So if you click here, it is the ID of your project. So you will use this one, right? First and foremost, we have to keep our code here. So click this 3 button and upload our code. So I showed you our code. These are the 4 files. So upload here, upload. This all the commands is not required, only need the 3 files. Upload here. These 3 files, Dockerfile, app, and the requirement. So now it will take some time, then you can see that all your code has been uploaded. If you do the ls, folder is there, right? You can see all the file came here. You can see those files in the open editor also. So you can tweak between the open editor and the open terminal. So all your files here, app, Docker file requirement, right? Again, come to the terminal. So now first you have to build the image, right? So first go and build the image. So Docker build -t. GCR is the Google container repository. You have to we have to push our all the image over there, and this is your project ID, and you can give any image name. So let me give the Python basic. So Docker, and you forgot to put the dot, means it will take the Docker file from here. Docker file is important to make the, so it's created. So if you do the Docker images, so you can see our YouTube demo has been come here, right? Now we have to push that. So Docker, it's easy, just copy this image name and use the command Docker push and that image. So it is denied because you have not enabled the Artifactory Registry API for this project. So go here, click that, search, and you have to hit the enable button. So it is saying you have to enable the billing, right? So I have configured the billing, so anyone I can. So that is important aspect. So that's why you have to must configure the billing account things. Again, you have to hit the same command. Working fine. Sometime you get the error. In that case, you have to add some roles yourself. So I'm giving that command, so it might be useful for you. See, I have already executed this command, so that's why I didn't create any error, but for you it may be. So now we have added that, right? Now we can run. This has been already pushed. If you want to see, you can see here, go the container. If you navigate the container registry, you can see your image has been pushed there. So Python demo, right? We have given the name. So if you see here, it is showing Python basic. I have given that name, right? So yeah, now we have to run this. So this is our YouTube demo. Just copy it we use. So Google Cloud run deploy. You can give any name that will come in the URL. So I will give cloud demo. Any name you can give that. Which port it will work. So I give 8080 and then allow unauthenticated. That authentication should not be required. And on which region you want to run? I want to run US Center 1. Which platform? Minus platform. And the project, which project? So the project name is this one. And then finally you have to give what is the image name, right? Image. So image is this one. Yes, I want. Then it will take some time and it will deploy your code on the cloud. So then you can access your Python code from anywhere. This step can take some few minutes. So you can see this is done. Now this is the URL they have generated. If you click here, you can see your code working, right? So you can use this URL and run from anywhere. And now if you go to Cloud Run, if you want to stop this service, you can stop and you get all the details over there, right? So this is your cloud demo because we're given this new URL. And you can see all the metrics, how many hits, how many CPU uses, all the metrics you can get it. This is the URLs, right? So all the metrics you can get it here, right? And if you want to stop, you can stop it. So click here and then do it. So this was all about the Cloud Run. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. There's a lot of effort going behind that. And if you have any questions, use the comment box. I will try my best to give the answers over there. Thank you very much.